Now, in a bizarre situation, this weekend's Jamaica Cricket Association Senior Cup clash in Hanover between the hosts and St. Elizabeth was called off due to security concerns. It occurred just a week after TVJ Sports aired a story about the potential safety issues at sporting venues. As we hear in this report from Jerome Foster, the proper protocols were not followed in having the match take place.
With one of the highest murder rates worldwide, scenes of crime have become commonplace to Jamaicans. But there are boundaries which are not expected to be crossed. But on Saturday, 22 cricketers playing for Hanover and St. Elizabeth were the centre of drama as scenes on the outskirts of the Elgin Town play field meant the second round clash in the two-day JCA Senior Cup competition had to be postponed. Men allegedly brandishing guns, the main cause for concern.
Sitting there with the manager of the St. Elizabeth team. So yeah, we were on spot. We were sitting together and we draw our players together. They did not walk towards us, and that was happily to see that we were not in their way.
They walk around the boundary ropes, around into the community, and they away from the community. I was told that somebody interfered with them, and they went back and clap up the first. And me and I said them brandish firearms. I don't know. I wasn't near to that. I was at it happened at the northern end. I was at the southern end.
But while things didn't escalate, the game should not have been sanctioned, according to Superintendent Sharon Beeput, who is in charge of the Hanover division.
We were not aware of it. The police had no knowledge of any football match that was being held over there.
No, it was supposed to be cricket actually.
Cricket, yes, we weren't aware of it. It was after whatever incident that occurred, then we were called and then we would have responded. Normally, in that location, whenever matches are being held, the police is supposed to be informed because that area is one of our hot spots.
Hanover Cricket Association President Dwayne Clayton says he takes full responsibility for the police not being notified of the match beforehand.
In the sense that we did not alert the lawmen or the officers to be security on the ground. We have never had an incident like this before. We never had need to have securities at our game. So in that sense, I would say as a president for Hanover Cricket Association, I would have to take the responsibility or the blunt for that.
While crime is not a new phenomenon, the situation has not gone down well with some players.
Some players might not want to play back at the ground while some are still willing because, in all fairness, it was not an attack on the cricket, it was not an attack on the field that took place.
It's really made me feel real bad. Because listen, the cricket was actually on the ground and we tried to get the cricket moving to come up. Whatever happened, it has nothing to do with the cricket. And if JCA tried to get this place out, the cricket is going to be complete dead in Hanover. And we don't want that. We really don't want that.
A decision will be made shortly about the outcome of the game by the JCA. But going forward, Clayton says Hanover's home games are set to be shifted to the Rossies High School. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.